And like Elijah, we also become despair, distracted, and discouraged. Like Elijah, we also come to experience failures and downfalls in life. Like Elijah, there's a lot of noise in our minds. Like Elijah, because of our failures, we tend to forget that we have a sovereign God. Kapag hindi na maganda ang nangyayari sa buhay, madalas nakakalimutan natin yung mga bagay na ginawa ng Diyos sa atin. And just like Elijah's valley moments, God intervenes. God speaks. God recommissions in our valley moments. If you think your life is a failure, puro na lang failures, you feel like giving up, you think that there's no way out, remember, hope isn't found in our failures and even in our successes. It is found in Jesus Christ. Kung nawawalan ka na ngayon ng pag-asa sa buhay, nanghihina at gusto mo nang sumuko at feel mo hindi mo na kaya, tumingin ka muli kay Kristo na siyang nagligtas sa iyo, kay Kristo nagkatawang tao, bumaba mula sa trono ng Panginoon para pagbayarin ang kasalanang tayo dapat ang sumalo. But because of His great love, He died so we can live. Always remember mga ginawa ng Diyos sa buhay mo. Kaya when you feel like giving up, go back to God. He listens. He cares. He will never leave you.